Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have DYSON Zone headphones and I'm going to show you how can you easily recalibrate them. Let's get started. First we have to open our My DYSON app and then go into settings by clicking this icon over there. Now we have to click product settings and now we have to scroll down until we see accessories. We have to go into our cushions and now there's a button over there called recalibrate. Now we have to click begin calibration and we have to wait 10 minutes, up to 10 minutes. After you wait, you just have to click continue and that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.